Alright guys, so we torqued down all the bolts already. Just went to Walmart to go get some gasket maker because it's 10:33 and everything is closed. Went to McDonald's. And yeah, we're gonna put the oil pump right now, and we're just gonna start putting everything back, and we're gonna put the head, and we're gonna put the ARP head bolts. We're gonna do that right now. So hopefully by tonight we should have everything back in, and maybe next week we'll have the engine in the car. Alright, so we just put the oil pump. Nice and brand new.
Yeah.
We're gonna torque these down to what, 9?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes.
Alright guys, we're starting to put the ARP bolts now. All you have to do with this is just grab the Allen key and start twisting them in there till you feel it touches. Got the head on right now. ARP bolts. Cam gear on. This is the adjustable cam gear. Now we're putting the washers to the ARP bolts. If this helps anyone, for the D16y8 and most other D16 engines, you have to torque it to 15 foot-pounds. Alright guys, now we're putting the nuts on the ARP bolts. I'm just gonna gently put them in with the impact for right now. And I'm gonna be torquing them down to spec right now, just to make it easier for us. I'm gonna be doing with it. Give me, I got it. Torquing down the ARP bolts right now. First we're doing 25. Then we're gonna do what, 45 and then 60. Because for the ARP head bolts, it's 60 foot-pounds. Number 5 is this one over here, the second one. Have the thing over here, the sequence. That's number 1 is the third one, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 6. Number 6 is this one.
What is the done?
Yeah?
4.
Oh, number 6 is this one.
And where's number 5?
Number...
Then number 5 is this one.
No, that's number 3.
1, 2, 3.
Number 5 is this one that you just did. So we're at 6. Yeah. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
It's here today and gone tomorrow.
Alright guys, so I put the cam gear on just for now. I still haven't torqued it down. I just put it on. put the cover on. It's starting to look really nice. I have two covers. I have this one, and I have this red one. But this red one is pretty bad. You see, there's chips everywhere. So I'm just gonna keep this one, and if anything, maybe I'll paint it since my engine bay is black. But yeah, I put the oil pan just for now. I still haven't put the gasket on there. I just don't want to leave anything open out here. So no flies, nothing gets in, no dirt. Yeah, that's also why I put the cover on too, so nothing gets on. Yeah. Say hi. What time is it? Oh my god. Alright guys, we're gonna start painting the engine. Shane's covering everything up. Alright guys, we finished painting.
Sound like my mother.
Now we're putting in the small parts.
Oh yeah, I found it.
Alright guys, so we put the turbo on right now. Just test fitting it to see how it's gonna sit. I already stripped the bolt. We have mostly everything on the engine already. We're missing just like one little thing. And we have to still put the belt so we can time. And the only thing missing to put on the engine bay is to set up the brake lines. And other than that, that's it. So maybe soon we're gonna put the engine in the engine bay. Alright guys, as you can see, I finished putting everything on the engine. I timed it yesterday with Shane. Wasn't really hard to time. Sorry I couldn't get a video on that. It would have been good to get a video, but I didn't get one. And I put everything else back on. Everything that I needed to put back on. And yeah, so we're gonna start getting everything in. We're gonna put the tranny right now. I painted the tranny. We have the stage 3 clutch. This is the 8-pound flywheel. Kind of regretting it now because they were saying that they like the lighter the flywheel, when you're like at red lights and stuff, the car is gonna be idling a lot, like if it's gonna want to turn off. But I mean, I'm only gonna be driving the car maybe twice a week, maybe at the most. So that right there is a 8-pound flywheel. We changed it for the 12-pound because people kept saying that it like rev too much, right? Like it's
Yeah, it revs too fast for basically the turbo to spool up and all that. Heavier flywheels, more load. So
okay, so yeah. Alright guys, so we're putting the Hasport mounts on. Got them on right now. Now we're gonna put the tranny on and then we're gonna get the engine in the car. Alright guys, so we got the transmission on. Now we're setting up the engine hoist. We're gonna bring the engine. We're gonna start putting the engine in the car. Alright guys, so we got the engine here. We're wrapping the chain now, getting ready to put it on the car.
Less bouncy, more speed. Alright. Wait.
You ready?
Yeah. The wheels are gonna fall off, so I don't know how far we can get.
Fine.
Alright.
I don't know, dude. I feel like for this we're gonna have to.
Oh, that doesn't sound good.
No, we're not just. I'm just gonna have to drop, and I'm gonna have to like put it from there. So drop it.
Yeah, I know. See, if you weren't bleeding, I would have said the same thing.
Alright, I should have start bleeding more when I was over there.